Indonesia is one of the fastest growing and most dynamic countries in the world today. It's also one of the countries with the highest rises in healthcare costs over the past few years. This is particularly true in places like Jakarta and most notably in the island of Bali. As such, if you live and work in Indonesia, it's ever more important to get a good quality health insurance plan. Typically, the plan should allow you access to Singapore. Most emergency cases in Indonesia today, you would want to, or in fact you are evacuated to Singapore. International health insurance companies typically include this benefit. It may automatically be included, or it could be an optional add-on. In either case, it's very important to ensure that you have that benefit. So if you're living and working in Indonesia and you want to buy a health insurance plan and accessing international level facilities or getting evacuation is important for you, then talk to us. There are a range of other things we can also help with, such as pre-existing conditions, such as maternity, such as those who are looking to retire in Indonesia. Buying a plan for retirement is very important. You get the right plan. If these things are important to you, then please come and talk to us.
Two key points are very important for your medical insurance policy if you purchase it in case you relocate to Africa. Point number one is that you need to have free choice of medical provider. So if you prefer to go and have medical treatment in a specific country, or maybe even go back to Europe or the Middle East, you should be able to do so. The other important point is that you have emergency evacuation and repatriation included as one of the core benefits. Reason for this is that very often the medical facilities within Africa are still very basic. So if you need to have a major heart or back surgery, the majority of the expatriates are flown out of the country, maybe to South Africa, maybe somewhere in the Middle East like Dubai, where appropriate medical care is available. Repatriation means that you have the choice of being brought back into your home country for a long-term ongoing medical treatment, of course if your home country is within the area of cover. So what is important if you move to Africa is look at your evacuation benefits, look at the free choice of hospital providers which you should have available. If you need more information on those topics, we will be more than happy to help.